Patrick at Pals, GMC Sierras. They're great trucks. Why is this one here? Well, you can see we've got the old engine out and we've got a replacement engine ready to go in. So we do a lot of engine replacements at Pals. It's a very common procedure. It's much less expensive to put in a good replacement engine rather than replace the truck. It's much more economical. All these replacement engines come with clear stickers on what you've got to do. There's the engine number. There's the engine oil fill. It doesn't have any oil in it, so you got to put oil in it. Engine prime, nope, you got to prime it. And engine air check. Air check, okay. That means everything seals properly on this engine. Over here's another sticker. This sticker says the intake manifold must be replaced or thoroughly cleaned and free of all debris. Failed components from original engine can trap in the intake, causing damage to replacement engine. This damage is not covered under the manufacturer defect warranty. This is telling you the carbon buildup is a big deal with these engines. Let's just take a look at the old engine, see how much carbon deposit buildup is here. If we look down in these ports, you can see, let's see if I can get a light on it. You can see the valve down there. There's carbon. See that black sparkly stuff? That's all carbon deposit buildup. That's why they're telling you to replace the intake manifold on these or thoroughly clean it. It really depends how the customer's taking care of it. If we can clean it, we'll clean it. If we have to replace it, we'll replace it. This one doesn't look bad. I've seen a whole lot more carbon deposit buildup in these engines than this one has. But it had a problem on the oil on the lower end. Wouldn't keep oil pressure. That's why we're replacing it. If you've got a GMC Sierra, bring it to Pals. See you soon.